Zozo, are you in the fort? Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah, you having fun? Go on in. Go see Megan and Adam in the fort. Go see Megan and Adam. Go on. Hey, Zoe. What you doing, Zoe?
Oh, put the sorry. Put the
Zoe. What? What? No, don't you bark. Go on in the fort with Adam. Go see Adam. Go on, go get him. Wrong way. This way. Come on, Zoe. Come here.
Oh, sorry about that. I was about